It is a beautiful day. Hello, beautiful people. Hello, my lovelies. I'm currently dressed and ready to go out. I know I'm not going to work. I've got a day trip planned. I am going on a day trip to the Cotswolds. So actually, I'm not going alone. I'm going with a friend, and she's coming. She's gonna be here any minute to pick me up. Yeah, she's coming with a car, and we're going to take a day trip. We're gonna drive to the Cotswolds. So it's currently around 7:15 a.m. in the morning, and I'm ready, and I'm just waiting for her. And guess what? You are coming with me. You are coming along. It's a lovely day that the Lord has made. Why am I happy? Not just because I'm going out, but because I get to leave the house today. It is supposed to get up to 34 degrees today. I don't want to stay home in that kind of weather. So I am going on sightseeing. I am going on a day trip, and I'm bringing you with me. She's outside. How are you?
I'm alright, how are you?
I'm good. That's popping.
It was popping. Alright, here we go. So basically you betrayed us. I betrayed you.
Oh my god.
This one I'm gonna keep for 10 years. When you buy a phone that's like
Here we are. Located at the southern edge of the Cotswolds, I learned that the Castle Combe is a small picturesque village. It is known for its stone cottages, also known for the St. Andrew's Church. The village looks like something straight out of a movie. It felt magical. We visited the St. Andrew's Church. It kind of felt like walking through history, the path that thousands had walked to church. This church has one of the oldest working clocks in England, and the church is accessible for the public. It is beautiful inside with a solemn air. Inside, the clock kept chiming. I tried to imagine this place back in those days. It is a pity that they are having to ask for public donations to repair the roof. This village is silent, a silence broken only by the noise of nature, a perfect location for when you want to get away from the city. This stream crosses the village from the upper to the lower part. You will see it at every part of the village. I can see myself living here if I can get to work freely. So now we're going to go to the next village. Castle Combe is very small. I don't think it requires 2 hours to explore. So now we're going back to the car. We're going to drive to the next village. So on to the next one. We were pleasantly fascinated by this tourist attraction called a model village. So basically, it is a miniature depiction of a typical English village. Such an incredibly perfect depiction of a whole village. How beautiful that the church has a choir singing beautifully inside. That made it so realistic. This model has practically everything in a village. From gardens, canals, streams, parks, railways, stations, everything.
I think this is supposed to show you things upside down and then make it straight. Look at that.
We found another church. How exciting!
Aww, they're worshipping. Look at the cute little lady. She's praying. She's smiling. Looks like they're gonna get married. And that's the preacher. Aww. I like the sound. It's so cute. So nice.
I wonder whose house this will be. And this is supposed to be the busy streets with the shops. I guess this would be the garden and parks. And I think whoever designed this did a very good job. Our next village is called Stow-on-the-Wold, and this village is famous historical market town, famous for its bustling markets and antique shops. It is located on a hilltop with a stream that runs through the entire village, making the area a perfect spot in the summer. In this very hot day, it seemed like the whole town was out camping near the water. And honestly, I don't blame them. Right, so the coronation chicken then? Homemade coleslaw. I think that's the closest thing I want. Yeah, shall we order? Nice.
That's what I need. I'm telling you. You know what? You can go with the car. I'll go from here.
Well, you walk all the way back to London.
I'll walk on the water all the way to London. Thank you. But actually, it's so cool and it's so nice. It's actually freezing a little bit.
This was not part of the initial itinerary, but my friend is a nature lover, and this was her treat, so yay! I went along to the Birdland and nature reserve, and I got to see a penguin. Finally got to see these birds that I see only in the documentaries. think they look better in
That thing
person.
makes the sound of the ocean, isn't it?
Did you know that penguins are the only birds that can swim and survive in freezing temperatures as well as warm tropical temperatures? Amazing. Underwater, they actually look like fish. There were loads of different kinds of birds. Birds from different places in the world. Birds from Africa, Asia, North America. I didn't know there were different colorful flamingos. I think we saw about 4 or 5 different colors of flamingos.
It's so hot. Oh my god, there's just too many birds. There's a lot of birds. I didn't know birds like this existed till today. Some of them I've actually never heard of, never seen. But I'm gonna see all of them before I leave. So we're going back home. Actually what happened was that when we were at the birds park and garden, my battery died, my camera battery died, so I couldn't film any more of the birds. But trust me, there were loads of different kinds of birds from Africa, North America, some from Europe and Asia, isn't it? All different colors of flamingo. We saw like three or four different colors of flamingo today. I couldn't film it all, but I think I got enough for you to have a feel of what it means to go to the nature park, the birds. Is the birds reserve?
Birds Park and Garden.
Birds Park and Garden. I can't even get my words right anymore. Yeah, so after we finished there, we went into the Jurassic Park. There weren't any live animals, well, of course, but they were just like statues of those dinosaurs, different kinds of them, and then yeah, and that's it. So that's it for Cotswolds today, and we're heading back home. I enjoyed myself today, and I hope you did too. I'll see you next week in the next one. So stay blessed, and God bless you.